everybody and welcome home. This is Rich from By Bike and Boat and I'm here aboard our home, our workplace and our place of learning, Bluebell, our 60-foot narrowboat. If you're new here, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and then head off to the comment section and say, I've subscribed, because we would love to say hello to each and every one of our new subscribers. We're a family who live on a narrowboat. There's 4 people. There's me, there's my wife Jackie, there's Bobby my son, Fleur my daughter, and then we've also got Dusty Dog as well down here, and Whisper 2, who come and share our adventure with us. As a family, we travel and move around the UK's rivers and canals, adventuring, learning, enjoying as we go and experiencing everything that the UK waterways have to offer. We're also a home ed family, so we educate our children as we move around the network, which is absolutely fantastic because we get to learn so much from so many different angles. To support ourselves, we run a small business, By Bike and Boat, where I make, along with Jackie, upcycled and handmade jewellery out of things like old punctured inner tubes, copper pipe, and old pre-decimal coins too. Over the coming weeks, we're going to be sharing with you cruises around the network. We're going to be showing you what family life on a narrowboat is really like, no holds barred. And I'm going to be showing you how I make my jewellery too. So why not join us? Come and stow away here on Bluebell. There's room enough for everybody. Go ahead, as I say, hit that subscribe button and be part of our adventures. Thank you so much. Mwah! Lots of love, and we will see you soon. Bye.